In this video, I'll be going over how to convert percent to fractions. The first thing to keep in mind is that percent means per 100. So the first example that we have here, 75%, is equivalent to 75 over 100. Now that we have it converted to fraction, and the greatest common factor between 75 and 100, for 75 we have 1, 5, and 25. For 100 we have 1, 5, and 25. So the greatest common factor in this case would be 25. So that means we could divide the numerator and the denominator by 25, and that will give us 3 over 4. So the answer in this case of 75% is 2 fraction of 3 over 4. Now what about this one? 40%. So 40 per 100 is 40 over 100. Now let's try to simplify that. So the 40 and 100's greatest common factor are 40 would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20. And for 100, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So the greatest common factor in this case is 20. So that means that we could divide by 20, and that will give us 2 over 5. So that means 40% is equivalent to 2 over 5. Now here is another one, 8%. So 8 out of 100, and we have common denominators of 8 and 100. For 8, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. For 100, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, and so forth. And from here, we can see the greatest common factor is 4. So we can divide both by 4, and that gives us 2 over 25. And therefore, 8% is equivalent to 2 over 25. And here is our final example, 125%. Now this one is above the 100%, but it still works the same way. So 125% means that it's 125 out of 100. So 125. So 125 over 100. Now since this is an improper fraction, we can first convert it to a mixed number. So from here, we could definitely take out 100. So that would make it 1. And the remaining would be 25 over 100. And after that, we could simplify just the fraction portion of the mixed number. And so now we would find the greatest common factor between 25 and 100. So for 25, have 1, 5, 25. 100, I have 1, 5, 10, 20, 25. And here we can see 25 is the greatest common factor. So we can divide 25 here and 25 here. And that gives us 1 and 1/4. And therefore, 125% is equivalent to 1 and 1/4. So these four are examples of how you would convert percent to fractions. We also have other percentage tutorials as well as fraction tutorials, and you can find them in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.